Hello everyone, this is Pooja. Once again welcome in mathematics class for class 7 student. Student, as we were doing exercise 1.2 and we did concepts related to addition and subtraction of integers. Student, as we already discussed about the properties of integer, closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. And we also did addition and subtraction. Do you know the rules for the addition and subtraction of integers? Means how can we add or subtract the integers? So addition and subtraction integers rule. Integers are a special group of numbers that are positive, negative and 0. Student, I already told you that integer is a set of positive number, negative number and 0, which are not fraction. Means fraction numbers we are not including in integers. Rules for the addition and subtraction are the same for all, whether it is a natural number or an integer, because natural number are itself integer. Natural number is also a integer because we include natural number also in integers. We just extend the rule and apply it for integers as well. Before learning the addition and subtraction rule for integers, let us first learn the positive and negative rule. First of all, student, I will clarify you that how can you add or subtract, means what is a positive number and what is a negative number. How can you solve a positive and a negative number if addition is given, if subtraction is given in between these numbers. So let's start. As you can see here, negative and positive rules. The integer which are add or subtract could be positive or negative. Integers which we add or subtract could be positive or negative. Hence, it is necessary to know the rule for positive and negative symbol. We should know that what is positive and what is negative. Here you can see that I am representing with a symbol. Look at here. What I am writing here, plus into plus, means what I am doing here, positive into positive, means I am multiplying two positive number. Then what I will get, student, I will get again a positive number, because whenever we add whenever we multiply two positive number, then always we get a positive number. In second case, you can see here, plus into minus, means positive multiply by a negative number. Then positive into negative, what will you get? One number is of positive and another number is with negative sign. So positive into negative, you will get negative in answer. So you can see here, plus into minus, you will get minus as a result. And in third part, you can see here, negative into positive, means one number is negative, another number is positive, and whenever you are multiplying these numbers, then you will get minus into plus, that will be equal to minus. These are the negative and positive rules. You should know that how can we multiply positive numbers, positive negative number, negative positive number or negative numbers. And last fourth one is that when you do negative number multiply by negative number, then you will get plus in answer. So minus into minus will be equal to plus. So student, here I explain you the negative and positive rules. You should know about the rules for positive and negative symbols. Now move to the next topic, that is addition of integer. How can you add two integers? Integers, as you know that integers are natural numbers, 0 and negative numbers. So how can you add these numbers? Addition of integer means there are three possibilities. First, addition between two positive number means we can add two positive numbers. Both numbers will be positive. Second one is addition between two negative numbers means we can add two negative number. For example, minus 3 and plus minus 4. And third condition is that addition between a positive number and a negative number means we can add one positive and other is negative number. We can add. So these three possibilities you can see here. These three possibilities are when we add addition, when we do addition of integers. Here you can see clearly with the help of this table, you can see that in first column I am writing types of number. These are the rules for addition, rule for integer. In first column I am not writing here types of number. Second operation means which operation I am applying. I am doing addition, I am doing subtraction, what operation I am applying. And third column is result, means as a result what number I will get, positive number or a negative number. And in last column here is example of this. So you can see here student, in first case as you can see here I am doing positive plus positive. Here you can see that I am taking two numbers, two integers, both are positive and I am doing addition of these two numbers. So positive plus positive. For example, look at here. First example is 10 plus 15. 10 is a positive integer. 15 is also a positive integer. And what operation I am applying here? I am applying here positive, means addition operation. So plus 10 and plus 15 will be equal to 25. So student, as you can see that first case we discuss about the positive plus positive means both the integers are positive, both the numbers are positive. And in second case negative plus negative means when both the numbers are negative. Here is 25 minus 25. So in second example you can see that minus 10 plus minus 15. We are using both the signs, so you will use bracket here. So you will get minus 10 and this plus into minus. As I show here, look at this. What I told you, minus into plus. Third, you can see here minus into plus, you will get minus as we discuss here. So you can see that my plus into minus will be minus. So minus 10, this will be minus 15 and answer you will get minus of 25. This is minus of 25. And similarly you can do positive plus negative number or negative plus positive number. Get the last row, that negative plus positive means I am taking here one number, positive, negative, and second number is positive. Look at the example. I am taking here plus 10 and other number is minus 15. So plus 10 and minus 15, I am doing sum of these two numbers. So 10 plus minus will be minus 15. So you will get minus 5 as a answer. So student, these are the rules for the addition rule for the integer. I hope all points are clear to you. You can say that whenever a positive number and a negative number are added, sign of the greater number will decide the operation and the sign of the result. Means whenever you are adding two numbers, one number is positive and second number is negative, so your result depends on what? Your result depends on the sign of the greater. Your result depends on the sign of the greater number will decide the operation and sign of the result. In above example, as we discuss here, in last these two example, you can see here, in this example, we can say that 10 plus minus 15, that will be equal to minus 5, and here 15 is a greater number with negative sign, so in answer we will use negative sign and we will do subtraction here because our greater number is negative. One number is positive and second number is negative, so we will subtract these two numbers. And minus 10 plus minus 15, again we have two number, one is positive and second is negative, so we will do again subtraction. We are applying subtraction operation here, and after subtracting these two number I will get 5. Why positive 5? Because here our greater number is 15 with positive sign. So here without sign 15 is greater than 10, hence number will be subtracted and answer will give the sign of the greater number. So student, these are the rules for the addition and subtraction of the numbers. Thus we can conclude the above table as follow. First one is addition of two positive integer always give a positive sum. Whenever we add two positive integer, two positive numbers, so I will always get this answer in positive form. For example, 2 plus 3, I will get plus 5. Second is addition to negative integer always give a negative sum. Whenever you add two negative integer, means minus 2 add minus 3. So I will get in answer minus 5. So you will get negative in answer. Addition of a positive or a negative integer give either a positive or a negative sum depending on the value of the given number. As I already explained you that whenever you are taking a positive number or negative number or you are adding these number, so your answer depends on the sign of the greater number. Means what operation you will apply, it depends on the sign of the number, greater number. Note, the sum of an integer and its opposite is always 0. The sum of an integer, look at here, the sum of the integer and its opposite. Means for example, you can see here minus 5 plus 5. I am taking a number and its opposite. I am taking here minus 5 and its opposite is plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 always give 0. It means that the sum of the integer and its opposite is always 0. So student, these are the rules which we discussed about the addition and subtraction. I hope now all the points are clear related to the signs and related to the addition and subtraction of the integers. Subtraction of integer, similarly we can say that like addition, subtraction of integer also have three possibility. They are, first one is subtraction between two positive numbers. We can subtract two positive numbers. Second is subtraction between two negative numbers. It means that we can subtract two negative number. For example, I can subtract 2 if I am taking here minus 1, minus 4. So we can subtract two negative numbers. Third one is subtraction between a positive number and a negative number. Means we can also take one positive and one negative number and we can subtract these two numbers. So these are the rules for the addition and subtraction. Look at the example, adding and subtracting integer. I am taking here one example. First is -5 plus 9. What I am doing here, I am taking here a negative number and a positive number. And what operation I am applying here? I am applying here addition. So student, you can, as I explained you, that -5 plus 9. Both numbers have different sign, so operation depends on the sign. So one is positive, one is negative, we will subtract. So 9 minus 5 will be 4. And in answer, what sign we will use? We will use plus sign because our greater number is with positive sign. So in this way we can add or subtract these numbers. Look at one more example. Second example, add -10 and -19. What you have to do, student? You have to do add -10 -19. You have to add these two negative numbers. So one number is -10 and second number is -19. Now look at the solution. -10 and -19 are both negative numbers. So if we add them, we get the sum in negative form. Means -10 plus -19 will be -19 will be -19. This plus -19 will be -9. Both are with negative sign, so you will get negative sign in answer also. And after adding these two numbers 10 and 19, what you will get? 29. Please do the correction. This is 29, not 19. Okay, so in answer you will get 20 minus of 29. So student, today we discuss about the rules of the addition. First we discuss about the rules for the signs. Rules, how can you do add or subtract. Then we discuss here addition and subtraction. Hope all points are clear related to the addition and subtraction of the integer. Next video we will discuss about the rules for the multiplication. How can we multiply two integers? Positive integer, negative integer, positive integer. This will continue with this we will do in our next session. Till then student, thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.